Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x, y as definitely positive real number, and we have square root of x plus square root of y equals square root of xy, and we have x greater than or equal 1 and y greater than or equal 1. Show that x power 5 plus y power 5 greater than or equal to power 11. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. We know that square root of x minus square root of y all square greater than or equal 0. So square root of x all square plus square root of y all square minus 2 times square root of x times square root of y greater than or equal 0. Therefore, square root of x plus square root of y greater than or equal to square root of xy, and we have square root of x plus square root of y equals square root of xy. So square root of xy greater than or equal to square root of xy. Now we add the square to both sides of this inequality. So square root of xy all square greater than or equal to square root of xy all square. Therefore, xy greater than or equal 4 square root of xy. Then xy minus 4 square root of xy greater than or equal 0. And therefore square root of xy all square minus 4 square root of xy greater than or equal 0. Now we have a common factor and number square root of xy. So square root of xy times square root of xy minus 4 greater than or equal 0. And we have x greater than or equal 1 and y greater than or equal 1. So xy greater than or equal 1, and therefore square root of xy greater than or equal 1. Now we multiply this inequality by the number 1 divided by square root of xy. So we got 1 divided by square root of xy times square root of xy times square root of xy minus 4 greater than or equal 0 times 1 divided by square root of xy. Now we simplify the numbers square root of xy. So we got square root of xy minus 4 greater than or equal 0. And therefore square root of xy greater than or equal 4. Now we add square to both sides of this inequality. So square root of xy all square greater than or equal to square all square. And therefore xy greater than or equal to power 4. Therefore xy all power 5 greater than or equal to power 4 all power 5. And therefore x power 5 times y power 5 greater than or equal to power 20. We call this inequality alpha. We know that square root of x power 5 minus square root of y power 5 all square greater than or equal 0. Therefore square root of x power 5 all square plus square root of y power 5 all square minus 2 times square root of x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal 0. And therefore x power 5 plus y power 5 greater than or equal to square root of x power 5 times y power 5. We call this inequality 1. From alpha we conclude that x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal to power 20. Now we add the square root to both sides of this inequality. So we got square root of x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal square root of 2 power 20. Therefore, square root of x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal square root of 2 power 10 all squared, and therefore square root of x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal 2 power 10. Now we multiply this inequality by the number 2, so we got 2 times square root of x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal 2 times 2 power 10, and therefore 2 square root of x power 5 y power 5 greater than or equal 2 power 11. We call this inequality 2. From 1 and 2 we conclude that x power 5 plus y power 5 greater than or equal 2 power 11. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.